This is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video of today, I will be showing you how you can connect your online shop to your YouTube channel. Now, one thing that you need to know is you can only do that after you've been accepted into the YouTube partnership program. So you will need first of all to search for Spreadshop, and then you create a shop, which is an online shop. You do the setups, and I'll do a video on how you can do that. It will be a sequel to this one. So after you're done, you can now get back here, and then you click in the bottom right corner where it reads and so these are some of the ways that you can earn on YouTube if you've been accepted into the YouTube partnership program. So you click shopping, okay, so here all you have to do is you click connect shop, and then you choose the type of a shop you have created. So since it's Spreadshop, click Spreadshop. Then you will need to read through this, and then you click accept there, and then you click go to Spreadshop. So if you hadn't created Spreadshop, you would definitely be walked through. But if you've already created a Spreadshop, all you will need to do is you click login now, and you need to punch in your login details here, then you hit continue. Then you need to punch in the password that you had created. So once you're logged in, you need to check in that box, and then you hit continue. And then you click login with YouTube. And here you need to choose the Google account which is connected to your YouTube channel. And then you punch in the password here. Then you click next. After punching in all the necessary details, you have to hit continue. All you need to do is you click continue, and boom, this will actually pop up. They say the supplier YouTube channel is not connected to your list. So you can actually edit your shop settings, or you can just hit back to YouTube. And boom, here we are. Let's click N. We can now check our shop by click shopping, and boom,